The American Southwest has a rich ancient history and awe-inspiring ruins left behind by the ancestral Puebloans. But there's also other incredible treasures. Using Google Earth, we found one below the surface. What is in this crack? And another unexpected one above the surface. What is this building in the wasteland? We're going to explore, and you, well, you're coming along. Welcome to Sweller Than Dweller. My roll of paper towel rolled out of the van almost over the cliff, and now I have this paper towel kite. Alright, good morning. It is a new day. We had a good sleep out here in Robber's Roost, up at the top of a canyon. We're kind of looking for a little easier, shorter day today because we're going to drive out and go to resupply in Hanksville, and then move on to a new location. And yeah, my tip today is when you're filming, don't fall over a cliff. It looks like it begins fairly soon. Looks pretty athletic.
I've worn out one pair of gloves.
Whoops.
Okay.
So this is what canyoneering does to your garments. Look at that. My glove is getting very destroyed. Now I've killed the palm, so these are almost done. And I've also split the ass of my pants. But that means nothing. The pants are still good for many more trips. This canyon is basically an out and back, meaning once you've gone as far as you want, you turn around and go back the way you came. Gone 3 to 4 hours down the canyon, and it widened out, got really sunny and hot. So we're turning around, and now we've got to go back the same way. And there's a lot of interesting sections of up climbing we have to do now. So it's probably going to be harder than the way in. Let's see how it goes. Grip it and rip it. A lot of muscle, and we're back to the first long tiered rappel, and we're gonna have to muscle our way up that. Well, that last part, which was the very first rappel we did, thought it was going to be so much work to come up, but it wasn't bad at all. I just grabbed the rope and did the Batman all the way up it, lickety split. So just gotta finish off, go to the car now, call it a success, ride the washboard road into Hanksville, and resupply with some groceries and such, and then I don't know, we're off to another couple canyons for another 2 nights. So we're out here middle of nowhere, and there was just a sign, "Don't bother the cattle. They are not wild, and they are not yours." I guess they must have a bit of a problem. Maybe people try to pet the cows. Holy shit, this looks a little deep. Oh, stuck. Well, I barely made it through that sand berm across the road. I hit it, and it put me to a dead stop. And then I had to take off my traction control, and then I could barely inch my way through it. Yes, my friends, we are in the middle of the wasteland of Utah, in Hanksville. But here, you can find one of the best restaurants in Utah. We are at the amazing Stan's Burger Shack. Let's check it out. I got a combo with a large milkshake. You gotta see this thing. Look at that. Are you seeing that? It's above the top of the cup. You must eat it fast or risk a disaster. I don't think it'll be a problem. Do you? Look at this. Look at this hamburger. Cheeseburger. Got some tomato on there, lots of lettuce. Looks big, good. Fries. And let's take another look at this milkshake. Are you seeing that? Pure awesomeness. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Bye. Seth pointed out this sign. Next time on Sweller Van Dweller. I don't think it's the end of the tunnel, but it's light.
Yeah, good show.
If you enjoyed that video, then you should watch this one next. And if you've seen that one, well then you should watch this one. And if you've watched them both, well then, you're one of my top subscribers. And I appreciate you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.